Located in Doswell, Virginia, Kings Dominion is home to 13 roller coasters, one of these being Dominator, the floorless coaster made by B&M. Now, Kings Dominion is not Dominator's original home. Dominator originally opened in Geauga Lake in 2000, with its name being Batman Night Flight. However, after Geauga Lake shut down in 2007, it was relocated to Kings Dominion and put in the front of the park. Dominator is the world's longest B&M floorless coaster with a length of 4,210 feet. It also has one of the largest vertical loops in the world with a height of 135 feet. And in today's video, I will be making Dominator from Kings Dominion out of knex.
Light it up. Light it up. Light it up.